Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you 3 great file managers for your Firestick. One that's really basic, one that can move apps from your internal storage to your external storage on some Fire devices, and one that can name your Fire device.
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel, ding the notification bell, press like on all of his videos, share the video, and follow him on all his social media.
Hey guys, so the first one I'm gonna show you is a really basic file manager. So if you like simple, this is the file manager for you, and it's called FX. So to get FX on your Firestick, you actually need to download it. It's really simple. All you got to do is go to settings, my Fire TV, developer options, make sure these are both turned on, ADB and apps from unknown sources. Press the home button, go to find, then search, type in the downloader. There's the app there, so it's this one. Download the downloader app, click on open, and now permissions and OK. So in here we're gonna type FX space Explorer space APK. So all we need to type in is that, and that will do a Google search forwards. So FX Explorer, click on the go button, will now take you to Google. Scroll down to where it says FX File Explorer for Android. Download APK from up to down. Click on that. You'll need to accept the terms and conditions. Scroll down to latest version. This new button here. Scroll down to download. The screen button just right there. Install the FX Explorer, and then delete the APK file. Press the home button, and what do you know? FX is installed on your Firestick. And as I said, it's a really basic file manager. You'll need to accept the license agreement, and now that, and then press the back button, untick the box that says start a 7-day sale with FX Plus, because you don't need it. Click OK, and then you're in here. As you see, really basic. You can access things via downloads, so all the stuff you've downloaded will be in there. Main storage, this will be your storage, and it's a really basic file manager, folks. On the next one, Explorer. Now, the only use for Explorer in my eyes is to transfer transfer apps from your USB save from your internal storage, to your USB drive. That's the only use found with Explorer, and you can only do that with Fire OS 7. So if you wanna transfer apps with Explorer, you can do that if you got a Firestick Max, a Fire TV Cube, a Firestick Lite, or a normal Firestick 2020. But if you got a 4K Firestick, you'll need to use ADB commands, folks. So really easy to install. Explorer you can actually just get it just by searching for it in the Amazon App Store. Just type XP Explorer File Manager, click on that, click download, and that will download Explorer File Manager. So open that up. As I said, I do have a more detailed video on this, so I know that, and do things such as manage your Fire Stick. This is what I was talking about, transferring apps over to your USB drive, and you can only do that on Fire OS 7 with this particular application. Of course, you have the ability to copy and paste files. You can even add web storage if you want to from these servers. So Explorer File Manager, another great one to have. The final one I want to show you guys is called ES File Manager. Now, I wouldn't recommend downloading it from the Amazon App Store because the free version comes up with too many pop-ups, and it is really limited, folks. But if you get the pro version of ES File Explorer, then do so many things within, like clean your Fire Stick, delete those APK files. It's awesome, the premium version of ES File Manager. And I'm gonna show you how to get that version for free, folks. For free. So best home, go into your downloader app, and then you want to type in Waypoint. So Waypoint .com. /ES. So waypoint.com/ES. Click on go, and that will download the premium version of ES File Manager. But here's the thing, ES File Manager, although it is my probably my favorite file manager from the Fire Stick, it does require mouse toggle, folks. I'm not gonna show you that in this video, but if you click on the video that's on screen now, and now show you how to get mouse toggle on any Fire device. So ES File Manager can actually work. You can navigate with it without the mouse toggle, but it doesn't work really well. It works so much better with the mouse toggle enabled. So install the AS File Manager app, and like I said, premium version absolutely for free. Done the name the APK file, best home, and then open it, and then like I said, you will need mouse toggle in this. So agree again, and now not, and now always no, and then you're inside this really good professional version of AS File Manager. And to get to things easier, all you need to do is activate the mouse toggle, and then this will make the AS File Manager so much better to navigate, folks. So much easier to navigate. So if I want to access internal storage, I can click that, and I will access my internal storage, and this good like professional version of AS File Manager can do basically anything, folks, anything you want. What a File Manager can do, AS File Manager Pro can do that, folks. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Sorry if it did wagon a bit but if you did enjoy it, please make sure to
Remember to subscribe to Streaming Wizard's channel. Ding the notification bell. Press like on all of his videos. Share the video. And follow him on all his social media.
Hey guys, until next time, bye.